Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation for this English project / homework. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Asker Rosdi, and in this next video, I would like to demonstrate to you on how to make Kwetiau Goreng. For those of you unfamiliar, Kwetiau Goreng, which is an Indonesian word for fried flat noodles, is an Indonesian style stir-fried flat rice noodle dish. A simple traditional dish that is packed with flavor. To make a simple Kwetiau Goreng at home, you need 14 ingredients, in which are the flat rice noodle itself, also known as the kwetiau, sausages, eggs, sliced pieces of fried chicken, mustard, spinach. For the additional herbs and spices and part of the ingredients, you need salt and pepper, shallots, garlic, chilies, sweet soy sauce, chili sauce, chicken broth, and cooking water. To make this Kwetiau Goreng, you need 9 simple steps. The first step is to heat your pan on the stove and cook your egg. The egg is the most main thing that is put on the pan before you put all the ingredients into the pan. Once you mix that egg, you move on to the second step, is to add the chilies, the garlic, and the shallots all homogenized into the pan. The third step is to add the chopped meatballs into the pan. You mix all those ingredients, add the sausage and the chicken. That's the fourth step. The fifth step is to add the vegetables using the mustard spinach to mix all that up. And the sixth step is, you guessed it, adding the kwetiau into the pan. You cook, you stir that kwetiau on all those ingredients. The seventh step is to add the extra water, chicken broth, and salt and pepper. This will all make a good taste to your Kwetiau Goreng. Add sweet soy sauce and chili sauce into the pan. And once that all ingredients all mixed up, you can turn off the heat, put it on a plate, and serve. And by that, your Kwetiau Goreng is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys soon.